Supports ultra-fast charging. This iHome USB-C to Lightning cable allows you to charge your device 2.5 times faster than your standard USB-A to Lightning charging cable, when used with a USB-C charger of 18W or more, not included. Nylon Braided. Our USB-C Lightning cable is nylon braided and offers extra protection against wear and tear. Patented DURASTRAIN technology. Designed with reinforced cable neck that is built to last over 5x longer than a standard cable. Flexible length. 10 featuring long USB-C Lightning cable is designed for you to conveniently charge and use your device at the same time. MFi Certified. The iHome Type-C to Lightning cable is MFi certified and can be used to charge a wide range of Apple products, including iPhones, iPads, and AirPods. From bedside to desk, from living room to kitchen, iHome makes it easy to charge multiple devices simultaneously. With 3 distinct families in one line of products, Qi wireless charging, MagSafe charge multi-port USB ports, iHome makes it possible for you to choose your ideal charging solution. Top reviews from the United States. It was exactly what I needed and works great. I was a little skeptical after reading a few of the reviews, but it worked perfectly for me. Phone never got warm, didn't get any warnings. It charged just as fast as my Apple cord. I needed the extra length by my recliner since the plug-in was so far away and I wasn't going to use an extension cord. Very happy customer.